Welcome to the Advanced Node.js course. I'm your instructor Mohammed, and in section 2 we will be talking about template engines. In this section we are going to be taking a look at what is templating and what is Ejs, sending data from our server side to fill out our profile template, looping through some data and using if statements with Ejs, and the include tag with Ejs. What is templating and Ejs? In this video we are going to take a look at what templating is used for, what Ejs is, and how we can use Ejs templating to create scalable applications suitable for many users. What is a templating engine, and why do we use it? A templating engine is a powerful resource that lets us send data directly from our backend to our frontend, instead of using the fetch API or something like an XHR request to get data from our backend. It allows us to do conditional rendering to render specific things in certain use cases. It also allows us to loop through data in our front end. And we can also include separate template files in one web page. While there are many templating engines, one of the most common for Node.js is Ejs, and this is the one we will learn in this course. What is Ejs? Ejs is one of the most commonly used Node.js templating engines, and provides a lot of functionality. It is very scalable because instead of creating many static pages for each user, we can create one single template and pass information into it. This is a very scalable way of creating an application. Throughout this section, we will create a template page similar to Facebook and then send data to that template page.